Hello everybody, welcome back to Buck Does It. Got some stuff going on back here. Let me show you. I wanted to put, well, there's all the parts I had that came with the car. I got rotors, brakes, wheel bearings, wheel seals. I even got a shift knob here, brand new in the bag. I want to put these longer wheel studs in today. And I was just going to put the studs in and move on, and I thought, hey, I got brand new brakes and brand new rotors in a box, brakes, wheel bearings, plus I get to remove some more stuff out of my shed. And I'll just throw the old stuff on the junk pile and take her to the junk yard. So let's get at it. Let's start with the gear shift knob. This thing's been falling off on me for a while now. Hopefully, the new one, yeah, it's the same. Oh yeah. Well, that's harder than my hand. We're gonna have to get the rubber mallet out. Well, I'm thinking this here shouldn't fall off on in my hand now if I get this in here right. Man, it's a tough one. I'm gonna leave it right there. Whew, that's a workout. Got a little gap there, a little gappy gap. Wow. We got it though, we got it. Alright, I did check the rotor with the old one, and it looks right on. So, I have to knock those studs out, put the other ones in. I want to check the bearings too before I go too far. I may not have the right bearings, who knows, but I believe we do. Timkins. Let's see. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's up in there. But let's see. Oh yeah, yeah. The front one's good, or the outer one, I should say, huh? Let's get the right lingo going, bro. And where's the inner bearing? Couldn't see the number very well on the older one, on the old one, but I think everything else is right. This should be right. I never checked it. You know, I got a whole pile of parts with this car when I bought it, and yeah. Seems a little tight there, but that one's good. I had to do some polishing on there, that's all, I would think. Alright, we'll take care of that. Now I gotta check my studs. There's no way to rip it open. What the hell? There we go. That's it. Come on, baby. Oh, too small. Damn it. Oh, come on. Well, that's a bummer. All right, change of plans. I cleaned the threads up on here. I'm gonna knock this back in here, and then I got some wheel bearing grease. I'm gonna grease up these old rotors and bearings and put them back on, and use my steel rally wheels, Buick rallies, and in the meantime, I'll get the right long studs. Looks like I got it. One more whacking. Should be able to hear it. Yep, that's in. Alrighty then. So I'll pack these bearings. They were kind of dry. That's why I was going to put new bearings, new rotors. But the studs are wrong. I want them long studs. Man, these bearings are, the grease is dried up. We're getting it though. What this does is push the grease all the way up through the sides of the bearing. See how it pushed out there? I'm going to do that all the way around. Just so it pushes up through. Then I know we got grease all around the bearings, the rollers. Yep, she's pushing up through. Alright, cool. Cool beans, as they say. Cool grease. I'll put a slopper down inside here, too. What's that one? Alright. Well, my hands are all greasy here. I'm gonna do the other one. Let me wipe this one off here a little bit, get some of this old grease out of here. Alrighty then. Okay, same thing. I should have cleaned them with some diesel fuel or something, but it's not going to stay in there that long. Going on a trailer and then come home and then put an engine in it, and then once I start doing all that, I can I'm waiting for engine parts or something. I can pull this front end apart again, put the longer studs in, but I'll be safe to race then with the other wheels, because alrighty then, that's that. Yeah. Where we at? Okay. Get my fender all greasy. Cicada. That's too thick. No, that's a, yeah, this is kind of thick. Let's do a smaller one here. That seems too small. Put this one. Yeah, there we go. That's perfect size. Perfect. Alrighty then. Where's my doodad? Here's my doodad right here. Tighten it, spin it. Well, pow! Yeah. Come on now. Alrighty then. That's that. Put the brakey shoes on, the brake of the shoes. And put the brake of the shoes on now. Or caliper. Wow. And that's it. Always change your plans, huh? Always change your plans. Now we got lots of thread for the lug nut. Should be okay now. I feel good about that. Since I got the wrong studs, I opted to keep the old rotors on there, and I packed that wheel bearing over there and just run these 14-inch steel wheels with regular lug nuts. In the meantime, I'll see if I can get the regular studs and our long studs, and then I could have them all built and ready to go, and just put them on the car, on the buck. Alright, there we go. I'll put the steel wheels on the Buick Rallies, regular lug nuts. I got a lot of thread sticking out yet, so that's good. Should pass tech there. And then just draining the water antifreeze out. I have to put them in the jugs, and I just flushing it out here. I took the heater hose off and just ran it out till she come out clear. And just had to drain the petcock open too and clean all that out, clean the radiator out. That's what we're doing here, just finishing up here. And then we'll be ready to take the trip to No Name Nationals 2023 in a couple weeks now. September 21st to September 23rd. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified. Remember, be good. Can't be good, be kind. See ya.